Assalamu alaikum sir, welcome to my vegetable shop.
Walaikum assalam, thank you.
How can I help you sir?
Actually, I want to buy some vegetables.
What type vegetable do you want to buy sir?
Actually, I want to buy some potato.
Oh, I am extremely sorry sir. Today I have no potatoes.
Oh,
If you want, I will bring it tomorrow. Anything else?
okay. I want to buy some cauliflower.
Yes, I have cute cauliflower. Do you want to buy?
Oh,
And its price is
of
40
that,
taka.
how much is the price of per kg?
40 taka
One
one
piece,
piece.
one piece.
40 taka one piece.
40 taka.
Assalamu alaikum sir. How can I help you? Please wait. I will finish to my first customer.
Okay, one piece cauliflower.
Okay, and here is your one piece cauliflower. Do you want to buy anything else?
No.
That's
Yes.
okay. Your total price is 40 taka.
Here is the 40 taka.
Okay, your cauliflower, and thank you. Welcome again.
Welcome. See you again.
Okay, thank you. How can I help you, sir?
I have some vegetables.
What type vegetable do you want to buy?
I have potatoes.
Oh, sorry, sir. Today I have no potatoes. Do you want? I will bring it tomorrow. Anything else? Do you want to buy anything else?
Yes, I have some.
Okay, sir. I have a fresh papaya.
How much is price?
Per kg 40 taka.
40 taka. Okay. I have 5 kg potatoes.
Okay, here is a 5 kg papayas. Do you want to buy anything else?
No thanks.
That's
Yes.
okay. Your total price is 200 taka. Please give me 200 taka.
Yeah, they are your price.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Welcome again.
See you soon.